Hi everyone, it's me again. I know it's been a while and I'm sorry. Well, I'm in Oregon right now. I'm at Guide Dogs for the Blind, and if you can't tell, I'm going to actually be getting my guide dog. I just got here this afternoon, and I plan on meeting my new dog tomorrow after some assessments to see like which dog is right for me. I'll show you around my room. I have a living room. I got TV. That's a door leading out to the patio where I can take my dog when I get it. Then I have a recliner. This is just some cabinets and things. Got a coffee maker. This is my dog stuff. I got a little bone and some food. And then this way I have a bathroom. I have two sinks because this used to be for two different people, but now it's just a one-person thing, so I get like twice the room. This is my bedroom. And here I just, it's my bedroom. It's my closet. I've got my clothes hanging up. Over here is where my dog's going to be sleeping whenever it's not working. And I'll show you the patio out here. It splits into two spots, and I just take it outside and go to the bathroom, and I just locked myself out. That's great. Luckily I have a key. Oh, and I ran into the bed. That's great too. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And I'll make sure to show you guys my new dog when it comes. And until then, I'll see you next time.